Alright everyone, welcome back to the 4th episode of this series. So today we're gonna get the truck in the air on jack stands. My cousin has some taller jack stands that we're gonna use, so gonna get that taken care of, get it up in the air, and then we'll start to disassemble as much as possibly can on the front end. So today's focus is gonna be front end, wheels, brakes, take everything off, and then we'll assess what we got to do based on the parts I have, and we'll get to it. Alright, I think what we need to do right now is just take this wheel off. I'm going to just start to disassemble basically everything here on this side. So I'll get the spring out of here, but I'll get the brakes off. So I got the sway bar disconnected just on the frame. I disconnected that side, and then there was really no point to disconnect that side anyway, because when this lower control arm comes out, it's all gonna come out as one anyway. So I just got it off the frame, so the brackets, you know, you can see it hanging loose here. We're gonna just start this side, get the tire off, brakes off, everything we did on that side. And that's where we're gonna stop for now. Only reason I say that is I gotta assess the springs, and I'm not gonna do it alone. Bring you guys around here. So let's recap. So we're down to the spindles at this point. Springs have to come out. We're gonna have to use the lower control arm method. So we're gonna put pressure on that control arm, so here that spring, and lower the control arm while releasing the ball joint to get that tension off safely. So I'm not going to mess with anything else at this time, just because I don't want to risk anything and be unsafe about it. So both sides are off at this point. This is where we're kind of going to sit. Like I said, sway bar is disconnected from the front end. So once all that falls out of there, we can then get to putting it all back together. So we're going to pretty much leave it for this part of things.